Today I demonstrated and made $1,015 with just one day using these tools, which is just crazy. LuxAlgo just released a super useful tool called Screeners. In this video you will learn step by step how you can use the best of it. So before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. This is absolutely one of the best updates that LuxAlgo did, so we will deep dive how we will use it. So in my screen you are seeing two screeners have been plotted on the chart, and now you will learn how you can do that also. But before we do that, let's see what we have in the chart. We have signals and overlays. Let me open up the indicators here. We have signals and overlays, we have screener for signals and overlays, we have price action concepts like always, and we have screener for price action concepts. Oscillator matrix has also its own screener. For the demonstration purposes we will be only focusing on the signals and overlays and the price action concepts and how I use them. So if you have a LuxAlgo indicator tool, you will have access right away. You don't need to do anything. Now let's deep dive into settings. Let's click for the screener signals and overlays and let me show you how I use. So it will give you ability of 10 tickers at the same time on different time frames, which is breathtaking, because now you will able to watch whole market in the one chart. Now I put it the NQ, which is Nasdaq futures. I have S&P 500, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Dow Jones, and $3 index. So the 3-minute chart, the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, and as it goes like this. So the algorithm is confirmation because I use signals and overlays on the confirmation and exits method. Let's make it 15 for the demonstration purposes. And now the other settings. We have price, we have volume, we have the change rating signal. Everything is available for you to enable or disable. Now what I have enabled: the smart trail, the trend catcher, the trend tracer, and the ratings, the signal, the exit. Exit means that if we get any sell signal, take profit, I mean. So the trend strength, the lax volatility, and the squeeze we have. And here we have overlays on the smart trail, the reversal zones, the trend catcher, and these are the settings. Think like this as a sensitivity. When it goes higher, the sensitivity will increase, right? So you can also choose a place where you want to put it. So I put the signals and overlays on the top center, and it is small. So let's hit the OK button. Let's see this beautiful thing over here. What it will give us, it says that on the 3-minute time frame the rating is neutral and the signal is strong buy signal, and the smart trail is bearish, the catcher is bearish, the tracer is bullish. It means that the market is kind of complicated now, right? And now I am trading on the 1 minute, and all my chart is 1 minute, my signals and overlays, my price action concepts. So how I use this, I trade on the 1 minute, but I still keep an eye on the 3-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute. That's enough for me when I day trading. That's my personal opinion. On the 5-minute, you can see on the 15-minute we getting a strong bullish with the strong buy signal, and we got a one take profit signal. But all of these confirmation guys are still bullish, right? And the lax volatility and the trend strength, the squeeze, you can see everything here. It is completely breathtaking here. And the next beautiful thing is the price action concept screener. Now I want to show you how I use that very quickly here. And all the tickers are same, but the one thing to mention, you can also sort everything by the rating structure or whatever you want. Because of I want to see it on as I desired, like a 3-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, first Nasdaq, then the S&P, blah blah. So that's how I like, but you can change it. There are a lot of flexibility like always in the LuxAlgo. So the indicator settings, what you can do is the market structure length, the order block length, the imbalance type. I always use the fair value gap, but you can use inverse, double, volume imbalance, and opening gap here. The equal highs lows period is short term since we are day trading. What I want to see is price, right? And the rating, the structure, the order block, and the imbalances. P&D zone means the premium discount zone. You can see the order block volume or even the sell and buy differently, right? And the liquidity graphs we have, and we have equal highs and lows here. So if you go like the order block, you can see enter, within, exit. If you say none, it will show you everything and how I want to use it on my bottom center. Hit the OK button. So let's see here. On the NQ 3-minute time frame, we got a strong bullish and the break of structure 3 times on 3 minute. We are outside of the order block, the fair value gap, it's outside it. So we got the fair value gap, we are trading outside of it, which is good, which means that we are going still up. The premium discount zones, it is within the premium. That's kind of a question mark because maybe price reached its maximum level. We can see some kind of, I don't know, reversal. The liquidity grab, you see it here. We got a new bearish liquidity grab and the equal high we have. So it says like market can reverse, be careful. And now what I watching is the 1 minute time frame here. If you go down, you will see that on the 5 minute, on the strong bullish, you see everything in at a glance here. So if you want to see also, you can see the S&P 500, and as all of you guys know that if the dollars goes up, the indices most probably will go down. So we see that the DXY on the 15-minute time frame gave a bearish rating here, and we see a change of character, and we are trading the outside order block and the fair value gap get mitigated. So we are above the equilibrium point, and you see it, right? We even hit a click here. This tool is a completely breathtaking, and I believe that your day trading will go into the next level. When you put it on your chart, you will see everything in just one place. Today I demonstrated and made $1,015 with just one day using just these tools, which is just crazy. If you still don't have the LuxAlgo's toolkit, I am linking down below up to 20% off. If you just click that, you will get access to it right away, everything you see on my screen. And if you want to learn more about my LuxAlgo's indicators and strategies, you can find it right away here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider subscribing to this channel, and until the next time, see you soon.